Taiwan's shooting down of a drone off the Chinese coast that buzzed a Taiwanese-controlled island was the most appropriate thing to do after repeated warnings, and China should exercise restraint, Taiwan Premier said on Friday. For the first time, Taiwan's military shot down an unidentified civilian drone that entered its airspace near an islet near China's Xiamen city on Thursday, after the government vowed tough measures against a rise in intrusions. China responded that Taiwan was trying to hype up tensions over the incident, which follows the island's complaints of harassment regarding drones from China flying close to the Kinmen Islands, as Beijing stages military drills around Taiwan. Premier told reporters Taiwan had repeatedly issued warnings and asked China not to encroach on our doorstep. "We will never provoke, and we will do the most appropriate thing to protect our land and our people." Taiwan media cited China's Taiwan Affairs Office as saying in response to the drone's downing that it was extremely ridiculous that Taiwan was trying to hype up confrontation.